Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Space Marine 2 crashing on cinematic or cutscene. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So method number 1 is to update graphics drivers. Ensure that your GPU drivers are up to date. So to do this, go to manufacturer's website or use the GPU software to download and install the latest drivers. Method number 2 is to lower graphics settings. Cutscenes can sometimes cause crashes due to high graphical demand. Lowering your graphics settings may help. Method number 3 is to verify integrity of game files. If you're playing on Steam, the issue could be caused by corrupted or missing files. So, open your Steam library, right-click on Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2 and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and fix them. For method number 4 is to disable overlays. Overlays from programs like Steam, Discord, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, or Radeon software can sometimes cause crashes during cutscenes. Try disabling them. So for Steam, go to Steam, tap on Settings, tap on In-Game, then uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. For Discord, go to your user settings, tap on Overlay, and then disable Enable in-game overlay. Method number 5 is to check for game updates. Developers frequently release patches to fix bugs, including crashes-related issues. Ensure your game is updated to the latest version. So check for updates through Steam or your respective platform. Last method that you can try is to contact support or check forums. If the issue persists, it might be a bug that the developers are working to fix, so check the game's forums or contact customer support for further assistance. And there you go. With these steps, you should be able to enjoy the cinematic glory of Warhammer 4K Space Marine 2 without any crashes. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!